Hi, I'm Danica Fine. In this Schema Registry course, I'll introduce you to the key concepts for using schemas as contracts between clients that produce data to and consume data from Kafka. I'll also show you how the Schema Registry helps to keep these clients in sync as application requirements change and the associated schemas evolve in response to these changes. You'll learn about different schema formats that are available and how to define schemas using each format. You'll also get an idea of how to manage schemas, registering new schemas, and then verifying schema compatibility with previous versions. But the real value of this course comes from incorporating schemas and the Schema Registry into your client applications. And as a bonus, at each step along the way, you'll have the opportunity to practice your newly learned skills through hands-on exercises. By the time you complete this course, you should have a pretty good understanding of the benefits of schemas and the Schema Registry and how to employ both. See you there.